Sierra. Turn left next taxiway. Taxi to the ramp with me. Left next taxiway to the ramp with you. 3 Juliet Sierra.
That's the new FAU Stadium we just passed, Florida Atlantic University. This is all FAU, this is the whole campus. Yeah, this is a nice neighborhood. You can see all the canals here, all the man-made waterways. They all go and connect to the intercoastal waterway and out the inlet. This is Deerfield Beach. You can see the lighthouse all the way down there, but we don't want to get wet. We'll go north instead. Look down to your left. Yeah. Woo! That's a bird's eye view. This is Deerfield Beach and the Deerfield Pier. Look at those rooftop swimming pools on that building on the left. This is the Boca Inlet, Lake Boca, that open body of water. The pink tower on the left, the Boca Resort, Walton Astoria Resort. See this blue button over here where my finger's at? Push it gently, give it a small little push. This here is Del Rey Beach, Atlantic Avenue, if you're familiar, downtown Del Rey. The Marriott is, Boston's on the beach. How'd you like the ride?
It was nice.
Enjoyed it?
I was like, perfect.